Hello guys, in this video we want to make a trash bin. I am Mr. Nose and this is the Short Crafts channel.
What? Why this garbage is dumped here? Oh, I think it's the work of Mr. Nose. Mr. Nose, can you explain why this garbage is here? These should be in the trash bin.
It is true. But I don't have a trash bin. I don't know where to throw my garbage.
Oh. Okay, so, I'll make you a trash bin. Can you help me make a trash bin for you?
Really? Hooray! This is very good. Mr. Nose is at your service.
Okay, so, we will start our work. To make a trash bin, we need a square sheet with dimensions of 21 by 21 centimeters. This is how to fold this sheet. First, we fold it from the middle like this. Now we turn the sheet and fold it like this. We fold the other side in this way. And now our trash bin is ready.
Miss Lisa, can we use glue to make it stronger?
Yes, this is better. So go get the glue.
Here you are.
Thank you. So, I glue these parts to stand better. Well, Mr. Nose, take this trash bin, you have a lot of work to do today. You have to clean your room. Did you not remember that?
What? Can't I do it tomorrow?
No, there is no discount. You should go and clean your room right now. Take the trash bin.
Oh, that's too bad. Okay, I collected all the garbage. But, no. Oh, help me. Take me out of this. Help me.
Mr. Nose, what are you doing in here?
Oh, I was suffocating.
Your work was great, you collected all the garbage. Well, guys, bye. Until the next episode.
Thanks for watching. Visit us again. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that we can make paper crafts together again in the next episodes. Bye.